Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the solution of Laplace equation in cylindrical coordinates. The Laplace equation is del square V is equal to 0. R, theta, Z are the cylindrical coordinates. X, Y, Z are Cartesian coordinates. R, theta, phi are spherical polar coordinates. R, theta, Z are the cylindrical coordinates. In terms of cylindrical coordinates, we can expand del square as dou square V by dou R square plus 1 by R dou V by dou R plus 1 by R square dou square V by dou theta square plus dou square V by dou Z square is equal to 0. As in the previous classes, that the solution of this above second order differential equation, which is a function of R, theta, Z by variable separable method, we assume as R, capital R as a function of R, capital theta as a function of theta, and capital Z as a function of Z. So we have separated three different variables which are individually as a function of R, theta and Z. So let us substitute these values in the above equation. Then we get dou square in place of V. We are writing R, capital theta, capital Z divided by dou R square plus 1 by R dou by dou R capital theta, capital Z plus 1 by R square dou square by dou theta square of R, capital theta, capital Z plus dou square by dou Z square R, capital theta, capital Z is equal to 0. So this R is only the function of R. So remaining two terms will be constants. That implies capital theta, capital Z dou square by dou R square. So here also capital theta and capital Z are constants. Capital theta, capital Z by small r dou R by dou R plus here capital theta is only the function of theta, remaining R and Z are constants. That is R Z by R square dou square capital theta by dou theta square plus in this term Z is only the function of Z, remaining R and theta are constant. It is R capital theta dou square by dou square Z by dou Z square is equal to 0. So let us divide the above equation with 1 by R capital theta capital Z. Then this equation will become one by R dou square R by dou R square plus this also capital theta capital Z cancel 1 by capital R small r dou R by dou R plus 1 by capital theta of R square dou square theta by dou theta square. Next in this R theta get cancelled, the remaining term is Z. 1 by Z dou square Z by dou Z square is equal to 0. So the last term is only the function of capital Z and small z. So let us separate this one. So then 1 by R dou square R by dou R square plus 1 by capital R into small r dou R by dou R plus 1 by capital theta into R square dou square theta by dou theta square is equal to minus 1 by z dou square z by dou z square. Let us equate these two equations to some constant minus k square, say. Then 1 by z dou square z by dou z square minus k square is equal to 0. If you take this term to RHS term, then this term is equal to 0. Then the solution for this equation is capital Z is equal to C1 e power plus or minus. Since here we have negative sign, we should not include I here. So simply the square root of this constant. So this equation becomes dou square Z by dou Z square minus k square Z is equal to 0. Sorry. Then the solution is capital Z is equal to C1 plus or minus small k Z. So we find out the solution for Z. Next, we find out the solution for theta. So note down up to this one. Next, since this part is equal to minus k square, this term is also will be equivalent to minus k square. We already find out the solution for z. So in this term, all the terms are related to theta, whereas we have the extra term r square. So let us multiply the whole equation with r square. Then this equation will becomes r square by r dou square r by dou r square plus 1 r get cancelled, we get r by r dou r by dou r plus r square get cancelled, we get 1 by theta dou square theta by dou theta square is equal to minus k square r square. So let us separate this theta term. Then r square by r dou square r by dou r square plus r by r dou r by dou r plus k square r square. Then this term will go to the right side, then minus 1 by theta dou square theta by dou theta square. Let us suppose that which is equivalent to some constant n square. So then this equation, from this equation 1 by theta dou square theta by dou theta square is equal to minus m square. That is dou square theta by dou theta square plus m square theta is equal to 0. Then the solution for this equation is some constant C2 e power plus r minus I m theta. So we find out the solution for Z, the solution for theta. So next we should find out what is the solution for r. So this equation is equivalent to m square, means this equation is also equivalent to m square. Then this equation is equivalent to r square by r dou square r by dou r square plus r by r dou r by dou r plus k square r square is equal to m square. Let us suppose that let x is equal to k r. Then what is the value of r? R is equal to x by k. So let us substitute these two values in this equation. We get r square becomes x square by k square, remaining term r, dou square r by, what is r? X by k. Then dou r becomes dou x by k. K is constant. That is dou x square k square. X by k, k is constant. Differentiating with 2 times we get 2k terms. That is k square. Plus r is x by k and r dou r by dou r. Dou r means similarly r means x by k. So dou x by k plus k square r square means x is equal to kr, then k square r square becomes x square is equal to m square. So I am again writing dou x is equal to k into dou r. Dou square x square is equal to k square into dou square r square. Right. So let us simplify this equation. K square get cancelled, kk get cancelled. We get x square by r, dou square r by dou x square plus x by r, dou r by dou x is equal to m square minus x square. Then x square dou square r by dou x square plus x dou r by dou x is equal to m square minus x square into r. Blue pen. M square minus x square into r. That implies x square dou square r by dou x square plus x into dou r by dou x plus x square minus m square into r is equal to 0. Dividing the whole equation by x square, we get dou square r by dou x square plus 1 by x dou r by dou x plus x square by x square, that is 1 minus m square by x square into r is equal to 0, which is a Bessel's polynomial. So the solution for this second order differential equation for r in terms of x can be written as r of r is equal to C3 Jm of x plus C4 Nm of x, where Jm of x is Bessel's function. Jm of x is Bessel's function and Nm of x is Newman's function. So this is the solution for r. So we find out the solution of v in terms of cylindrical coordinates as r of r, capital theta of theta, capital Z of z. What is r of r? C3 into Jm of x. So replace x with kr here, that is Jm of kr, since we have assumed that x is equal to kr, plus C4 Nm of kr. Next, theta. What is theta? C2 into e power plus r minus im theta, and z is C1 into e power plus r minus m z. So this is the solution of Laplace equation in cylindrical coordinate system. Right.